Iron Core Clad frying pans. Start cooking in just 1 minute. Innovative piece of premium cookware that blends the benefits of iron and stainless steel in one. Optimized for induction heating, compatible with all heat sources. Iron Core Clad. Iron Core Clad is a premium cookware that fully preheats in just 1 minute. We increase the speed of the heat reaction by 200% when compared to regular stainless steel pans. Iron Core Clad quickly and evenly heats all areas, cutting down cooking times as well as your time and money spent. A stainless steel pan has benefits in rust resistance, even after long use, ease of washing, and storing. But the drawback of regular stainless steel pans is their weak thermal conductivity, which takes too long to preheat, leading to an afternoon of scrubbing as the food will stick to the pan if not properly heated. The outer layer of Iron Core Clad is covered with 7th-generation ceramic coating, retaining heat at an exceptional level. It is also highly resistant to scratches and damage and will stay clean even if you rub it with a rough SUS scoring pad. Add an angled open arc shape to our metal clad design to reduce thermal deformation as much as possible. Iron Core Clad is ideal with electric induction heat systems, but also suitable for any cooktop such as Highlight. Iron Core Clad is more than a product, the culmination of our years of efforts and research. With your support, we'll be able to begin manufacturing and proceed to delivery with excellence. So please kindly back us. Make innovation the foundation. Iron Core Clad.